Welcome back. So today I'm fixing some cocktail Smokies wrapped in bacon. And one of uh, one of our viewers, Deborah, had suggested brown sugar over these. So I thought I'd give that a try today too. So I'm going to do partial with the brown sugar and then partial without it. So this is so easy. I've got my oven set on 350 and I will cook these for about probably 30, 40 minutes until they're crisp. Um, so I've already done part of them. I've got a casserole dish. You can put them on a pan that's lined with aluminum foil if you need to. Just, you don't want it too big because you want your brown sugar to stay on the top. You don't want it to spread out too much. Okay, so what you do is you take your bacon and cut it into thirds because you don't want to overlap the cocktail smoky or it won't get crisp. You can, but it won't get crisp. So I've already done part of them, so you wouldn't have to wait on me. So all you do is pull that up, just wrap it over it, and put the seam part face down. You don't even have to put a toothpick as long as you put the seam side down. Now, if you don't want to do that, or if you do want to double wrap it, you'll need to use a toothpick. Okay. And I'm just about done. So you just roll it up. Now I had one that was, I couldn't get it wrapped around it, like it was too short. So I just did it at an angle and it did beautifully. There's always a way to figure something out, whatever you're doing. Okay, this is my last one. Oh, these are going to be good. I can just feel it. Okay, I'm just going to stick that little piece of bacon in there here in a minute. Okay. Now I'm going to dry my hands here. I'm using the light brown sugar. Now, if your sugar gets hard, your brown sugar's got molasses in it. So if it gets hard in the container, just put whatever you need in a bowl. Put a microwave safe bowl and do it about 20 seconds, maybe with a damp paper towel or some kind of cover over it. 20 seconds, and then you can just crumble it right up. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sugar and I'm going to sprinkle over, because what happens is this brown sugar is going to caramelize. So I'm just going to do part of it with that. I'm only going to leave a few pieces out. Okay, so I've got, that's going to be good. Okay, so you can do it with or without the brown sugar. Now, she also had suggested maple syrup, but I'm out of maple syrup, so we're just doing the brown sugar. Okay, so I'm going to put these in the oven on 350 for about 30 or 40 minutes until they're crisp. And then we'll check and see what we got. Okay, so our cocktail Smokies have been in the oven now for 45 minutes. I could have probably done it at 30 minutes if I would have put it on about 400. So just remember that if you're kind of in a hurry. Okay, I fogged my glasses up again. Okay, so there we go. Now it is time to try and see how that goes. I never had one with the brown sugar on it. Okay, and I'm going to show you while that cools just a second. You've got all that brown sugar mixed in with the bacon grease, and that's what's going to make it so good. Let's see here. You could also, I gotta let that cool just a second. You could serve these by themselves as an appetizer or um, over rice. Potato with potatoes. We're actually going to have it with some turnip greens and cornbread. So these go with just about anything. So, and there's so many things you can do with these little cocktail Smokies. Ooh. Mm. Okay. I like that. My daughter's going to love it. She likes this sweeter bacon. So, Deborah, that's a thumbs up. And thank you for the little tip. And I hope the rest of y'all enjoyed that. And I will see you next time. Thank you.